Did you know that creating a professional video or podcast can be as easy as editing a Word document? Say goodbye to complicated software and hello to Descript, the ultimate tool for creators. Whether you are a content creator, podcaster, or video editor, Descript will change the way you work. Let's dive in. Descript is an all-in-one tool for audio and video editing, screen recording, transcription, and more. It's designed for creators who want to save time and produce high-quality content without the steep learning curve. With Descript, you can record, edit, and publish all in one place. First up, transcription. Descript automatically converts your audio and video files into text and incredible accuracy. Want to remove filler words like and Just highlight and delete them from the transcript, and Descript updates your audio instantly. It's that simple. Ever wish you could fix a mistake in your recording without re-recording the whole thing? With Overdub, you can create a realistic AI clone of your voice. Type in the text what you want and Descript generates the audio for you. It's perfect for quick fixes or creating new content on the fly. Next, let's talk about screen recording. Whether you are making tutorials, presentations, or product demos, Descript lets you record your screen and webcam simultaneously. Once recorded, you can edit your video using the same text-based tools, making it effortless to cut, rearrange, or polish your clips. For more advanced creators, Descript offers multi-track editing. Sync your audio and video files, add background music or layer effect with ease. It's all drag and drop, so you can focus on being creative instead of wrestling with complicated timelines. Collaboration has never been easier. Share your project with a simple link and work with your team in real time. Reviewers can leave comments directly in the transcript, speeding up feedback and revisions. Once you are done editing, Descript makes it easy to export your project. Choose from video, audio, or even a text-based transcript, perfect for captions, blogs, or social media. Publish directly to platforms like YouTube or download your files to share anywhere. Ready to take your content creation to the next level? Sign up for Descript today and see the difference for yourself. Trust me, once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever worked without it.